When you buy a marine power generator, you want the Japanese reliability like Toyota in this Kubota engine. You want the Italian performance like Ferrari in this meticulously alternator. And you want the European quality like Mercedes in this ComApp control system. All of these items are put together by Coelmo in Italy. Kubota engines are the #1 choice in marine power generators for reliability, low fuel consumption, low noise output and availability of spares Australia-wide. They are the best choice. Meticulously alternators made in Italy are the most compact alternators available while providing the largest power output for size. They're also incredibly reliable and provide the steadiest power available on the market. The ComApp control panels used on Coelmo generators offer great monitoring both on engine parameters as well as alternator and electrical output parameters. The most reliable way to ensure your generator is operating well and the power output to all your sensitive electronics remains precise. And while you've got a control panel on the generator, you also get a second control panel to put in the wheelhouse where you need it most. So when you choose a marine power generator, choose reliability, choose performance, choose quality, choose Coelmo. Thanks for watching. I'm Josh from THT.